Oh, sonreía mamá, sonreía mamá.
So hi, saya ni Sonia. Sudah 4 bulan lepas buat hair transplant. Hari ni datang buat PRP. So how was it, Sonia?
Yeah, basically I'm very happy. I'm so glad because I can see the changes. Perhaps I will be more happy, like more confident. Sekarang ni kalau I rasa nak tongcar rambut ke, just leave it like that, I'm more confident because I can see the difference. So it's really like worth for money. Every penny that I paid, it's really worth. And then part of that, dah ramai yang my colleagues of colleagues pun dah mula tanya how you did this thing. Then I also recommended them to hear the Dr. A because I can see the result. Because the result it's really super, as you can see, and yeah, it's very good.
Mama, sonreía mamá.